Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a super easy and very tasty salted caramel apple crumble that you can serve with custard or ice cream for extra yumminess. So stay tuned for the recipe. If you're new to my channel, press on the like button, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And a big thank you to all my subscribers for your nice comments, your like and your support. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the salted caramel you will need 120 grams of unsalted butter, 100 ml of double cream, 60 grams of light brown sugar, I've used white sugar, 60 grams of dark brown sugar, I've used demerara sugar, and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Melt the butter and the sugar over low heat and mix until the butter and the sugar has completely dissolved. For this recipe, I've used white sugar and demerara sugar because I didn't have light brown and dark brown sugar. I've made this recipe another time using the light brown and the dark brown sugar, and the caramel was more darker. So I recommend to use the brown sugar if you have any, but if you don't like me for this recipe, just use the white sugar. The caramel will still taste nice, but you won't get the dark color. So when the sugar has completely dissolved, turn to medium heat until it starts bubbling. When it's bubbling, turn off the heat and stir in the double cream. Then turn the heat back on again on low heat and mix a little bit. Add the salt and mix. Then remove from the heat and set aside to cool down. I recommend to use more apple, it will taste better. I only had 4 apples for this recipe, but the more apple you add, the better. Then you will need 4 apples, peeled, cored and chopped into chunks. You will need 2 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. Add the apples to the pan with the star anises and the cinnamon stick and 1 tablespoon of water. Then cook on low heat for 10 minutes or until soft. For the crumble, you will need 125 grams of white flour, 50 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of oats, and 100 grams of unsalted butter. And of course, use a large bowl. Don't do it like me. I've used a small one. I don't know what I was thinking of. And I had to transfer it back all over in a large bowl. And of course, I added an extra dish to wash. So, in a large bowl, add the flour and butter. Rub with your fingertips until you have a breadcrumb texture. Then add the oats and continue rubbing. Add the sugar and rub. And if your crumble is still sticky, add some more flour until you get the breadcrumbs texture. Remove the star anise and the cinnamon stick and add the apples into an oven-proof dish. If your salted caramel has thickened, just heat it back again. Drizzle the apples with the salted caramel. Then cover with the crumble evenly. Do not press down on the crumble, it should be lumpy. And finish by sprinkling some more sugar if you want to get a caramelized result. Then bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until it starts bubbling. Et voila, the crumble is ready. You really have to try it. It's so simple and very quick to make, and the whole house will smell divine. You can also add some more salted caramel and serve it with custard or ice cream for an extra yumminess. I hope you will try it and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. You can also send me a picture on my Instagram that you will find in the description box. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.